Good morning, everyone. As in the revision process, our today's topic is industries. Again, the simple thing. What is industry? So, here the definition refers to an economic activity. Now, question is that what is economic activity? The question is that what is economic activity? Activity or work through which we earn. Activity or work through which we earning amount, that is known as economic activity. Example, teacher teaching in school is economic activity. If the same teacher teach at his home to his or her children, that is not economic activity. Mother doing the work in home is non-economic activity. When she is doing these work outside, that is called economic activity. During the work, if you are getting the payment by doing the work, if you are getting the payment, that is known as economic activity. Any doubt? Okay. Now, that is concerned with production. New word, production. For what? Goods. Minerals or the provision of service. Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production. Remember this thing. Concerned with production of goods extraction of minerals and और द प्रोविजन ऑफ सर्विस. ऐसी एक्टिविटी बेटा जिससे कोई चीज प्रोडक्शन करी जाती है, जैसे मिनरल्स हैं, और उसमें सर्विस प्रोवाइड की जाती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंडस्ट्री. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द मीनिंग ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. Any doubt in this one? Definition? Any doubt, student? Good. Now, there are three kinds of economic activities. Number one, primary activity. Activity which directly link with agriculture, known as primary activity. Secondary activity, with the primary product, we set up some small production units and change its form. For example, your chair and table. Before this was as a raw material, it is from primary activity. They can take these directly from forest, woods. They cut down, change its shape. Production, secondary activity, table and chair. Now, third activity, service provider, that is known as tertiary activity, which provide the service. For example, a teacher or a lawyer, I am taking example of lawyer. If a lawyer giving suggestion and taking the fee, that is tertiary activity. Service provider in hospitals, service provider. Transportation network, service provider. Communication network, service provider. All service provider include including tertiary sector. Any doubt, beta? Now moving further. Now, on the basis of three things, I will write down upwards. First dividation on the basis of raw material. On the basis of raw material, factory is divided into three parts: agro, mineral, marine. Okay. Agro, agriculture based industry, cotton, jute, sugar, agriculture based. Mineral, iron, silver, copper, gold. Marine, sea, fisheries, that is marine. The first division is on the basis of the raw material. Industries divided into three parts. Number one, agro. Number two, mineral. Number three, marine. Any doubt? Now, next industry on the basis of size. On the basis of size, small or large. Small industries or cottage industry refers to small industry or cottage industry. Basket weaving, bamboo, curtains, okay, or making clothes at the home, and different cottage industries work. Different cottage short industry. That investment is small, input also small, output also small. So in small scale industries, input small, output small. Are you with me? Input also small, output also small. They're doing these activities with simple tools. No major machinery is used. They use all these things with the simple tools. Is this clear? Okay. Large scale industry. Small and large opposite word. Okay. Large scale industry, big industry. Cement industry, big industry. Automobile industry, big industry. Copper, iron, electric. These all are the big industries. So the big industry investment is high, working population is high, and the input is high as well as output is major investment. They have to set up buildings, they have to set up factories, they have to set up machineries. So there is a difference between small and large scale industry. On the basis of size, two kind of industry, small and large. Any doubt? On the basis of on ownership, as a word suggests, ownership means malikana hak. Okay, owner. You are the owner of your books, notebooks, pen. है ना? Now, first thing, private ownership, private companies, Reliance, private company, Jet Airways, private company, Kingfisher, private company, owned and operated by individual or group of individuals, known as private ownership. Is it clear? Big प्राइवेट समझ में आ गया बेटा? ओके. पब्लिक, owned and operated by the government, owned and operated by government. For example, the government industries which is owned and operated by the government of India. We are having different examples. Anyone can give the example which we discussed previously also? Yes. Good. Yes, Steel Authority of India Limited. Write down. Yes, you are writing right answer, Beta. Steel Authority of India Limited. Right answer. Then joined were public and private. These. Public have share. For example, Maruti Udyog, where both have the share. Government and individuals, private, both have the share. That is known as joint sector. And last, cooperative. Different peoples have the share in it. Different people have the share in it. That is cooperative. Example, Lijjat Papad. Different women groups, Sudha Dairy, different groups of farmers. That is known as cooperative sector. Is it clear to everyone?